Hi guys, this is my 1973 Oldsmobile Tornado, and they always told me the front end had been inspired by a 1937 Cord, but I've never seen a Cord until last weekend when I came to Berlin, and guess what I saw there? It's in a restaurant called Cord. Well, the designer should be fired because it looks like gourd, but it's actually called Cord. It's a 1937 Cord 810 convertible, which is sensational in many ways. It has been beautifully restored. Well, and the 1930s Cord were the first cars in America with front-wheel drive, and also the first cars ever with concealed headlamps. We'll look at these later. Look at this wonderful interior and also the wonderful dashboard. This is really what deserves to be called premium car. The Cord has a 4.7 liter V8 engine. It does not have an automatic transmission, but almost the same thing. You could pre-select the gear and you only have to press the clutch and the gear will come into action. A wonderful car. Again, it's in a restaurant in Berlin. I will send a link in the show notes. Yeah guys, on this channel I feature many American cars in Germany, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. One sensation about the car was the front-wheel drive. Another sensation were the concealed headlamps, which had to be opened by a crank, which is here operated by the restaurant manager, but each side individually. The Cord also dominates the walls. Here you can see the construction plans, but also you can have very delicious American steaks in that restaurant. And guess what you will be served if you order a dessert? It's also a Cord. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this film, so subscribe to my channel.